Unboxing Man. Today we're going to be unboxing the 2019 Hot Wheels Advent Calendar. If you'd like to get one for yourself, check the link in the description. We'll also be doing a giveaway for our 1500th subscriber. You will get a free one of these. Now let's get into it. Okay, let's start with the first day. Oh, we got a car. Look at that. We got a Radical Racer. Car 1. And now we go to day 2. Big one. Oh, we got a sleigh for the car. Look at that. Okay, now let's go to day 3. Ooh, we got another car. We got a Monster Racer. Okay, now let's go to day 4. We have a snow jump. At least there's not any stickers. Okay, here we go. Here's number 5. Oh, we got a cone. Wow. Okay, now it's for number 6. We got another car. And we have the BDD-12. Now we'll go to number 7. Oh, look at that. We had a reindeer. Okay, now we'll go to number 8. Oh, we got another car. And we have the Audacious car. Now for number 9. We have a snowplow. Okay, now for number 10. What do we have here? We have some skis. Now for number 11. We have workshop parking only sign. Look at that. Now for number 12. Oh, we got another car. Oh, it's the Bone Shaker. Okay, number 13. We have some tires. Okay, number 14. Got another reindeer. Number 15. Oh, we have the sleigh for the reindeer. Time for number 16. Oh, we got another car. We have the Ollie rocket. Okay, time for number 17. Oh, we got a little badge. Time for 18. Oh, we got Santa. Man, we're flying through these days quick. Time for 19. Oh, we got a Christmas tree. I can strap to a car. Time for number 20. Oh, another car. And now we have the Bedlam. Time for the 21st day of Christmas. We got a pile of wood. Time for the 22nd. We have a gas pump. Time for the 23rd day of Christmas. We got a little snowman. Time for the 24th day of Christmas. And we got a car. Santa's car. We got the Carbonic. Okay. Thank you for watching the 2019 Hot Wheels Advent Calendar unboxing. Make sure to subscribe, share, and comment, and we'll see you next time.